We'll guide you through how to allow and open unidentified developer apps from anywhere on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're trying to install a new app you got from an unknown source, and you're running into the thing where you have to go and allow it to go and open it and run it. This can go and get a bit tedious, especially if you do this commonly. So for example, what you probably have to do is go and open up your system settings. Then you go over to the left and you go and scroll down, find the option for privacy and security, and you can click on it to open it up. And then you go and scroll down and you have to go and press allow here. Now this can go and get annoying. So what we can actually do is come to allow applications from. You can see at the moment it's set to App Store unknown developers, but you may want to do this for unknown developers perhaps. But if you click there, we don't have the option for anywhere and unknown. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get this. Make sure it's this full guide. Do just consider there is probably a slight risk to doing this because of course this is a security feature from Apple, but ultimately if you're doing this with apps and sources you trust, it's fine. It's what I personally do, and it makes everything so much more convenient. So to go and do this, we need to come out of our settings for now, and we're going to go to the top right and go and press on search. And in here, you want to go and type in terminal, and you can go and press enter, and this is going to go and open up. So now in here, we need to go and type in this specifically. I'm going to go and put it on the screen as well so you can see it clearly. sudo space spctl space dash dash or hyphen hyphen, as you can see, and then type in master hyphen or dash disable, disable, like so. As you can see, that's it there. Now what we're going to do is go and press enter. You need to go and enter in your password. You can see it's got that key icon. When you go and type this password in, you aren't going to go and see it. And then when you've done that, go and press enter. So what we need to do is confirm this in our system settings. So you can come and press system settings at the bottom. You can then go scroll down and you need to go and find privacy and security. And then what you can do here is go and scroll down here and you can go and select then anywhere, like so. As you can see, I can then go and confirm this by using my password or Touch ID, which I've now done. And as you can see, I then need to go and confirm the decision, allow from anywhere. You can go and see it does make your Mac less secure, so do consider that. That's really important to note. I'll press that there though. And so that's it. Now you shouldn't need to go and press the open button every time you go and download apps from unknown sources. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this.